Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany, Headmistress of the Tarot Readers Academy, and I am extremely pleased to let you all know that Tarot Summer School is back for 2018. This is our third year that we've been running this annual school. It is a virtual summer camp. It is like Hogwarts for tarot readers, and we have teachers from all over the world. We have students from all over the world who come together for the summer season to learn new skills when it comes to tarot, running a sacred business, and developing their creative, psychic, and intuitive skills. Tarot Summer School opens for registration as of the 1st of June 2018 and closes on August 31st, 2018. Our first course will go live on the summer solstice, which is June 21st, 2018. We have 13 masterclasses from an incredible array of teachers, which you have seen just before I popped onto camera. And we run these programs all through the summer. With these classes, you get to pick and choose your curriculum. With Tarot Summer School, you can choose to opt in for our season pass, which gets you all 13 of these masterclasses with lifetime access to the content for one payment or the payment plan. Or you can pick and choose which courses feel like they are going to be the most beneficial to you as individual courses. Whether you choose a la carte or you choose the season pass, remember you get lifetime access. So as long as you enroll in the courses that you desire to be a part of, by the 31st of August 2018, you will have access to all of that material. All of the courses, all of the workshops, all the presentations are interactive. This is not just going to be someone speaking to you on a camera. There is going to be a lot of video, but they will have rituals, activities, worksheets, workbooks, meditations, and then we also have the community element as well. Over on our Facebook group, we'll be running little albums and activities every time a summer school class goes live. We also have, again, our campfire sessions. So twice in 2018, one in June and one in July, we are going to be running a special event where you can come and meet different teachers from Tarot Summer School, ask them questions, meet other students, and talk about tarot. It's very much like our Tarot Readers Academy Tarot Jams, but this is really geared around getting to know the specialists and masters that we brought in for Tarot Summer School this year. As with all of our live events, it will be recorded for those who aren't in the right time zone or who can't make it. You will be able to use any tarot deck that you like in your collection. The courses have been designed to go for different levels of development. So there is going to be something for everyone at Tarot Summer School. All you need to do to register is to head over to the Tarot Readers Academy and log in as your student and then select your courses or the season pass. There is a bunch of facts and information that you can go through over at ethany.com or the Tarot Readers Academy if you have questions. And remember, there is no such thing as tarot FOMO or missing out on this conference as long as you register between the 1st of June and the 31st of August 2018. I'm so looking forward to sharing this year with you. I'm very, very excited for the people that have come on board and the teachers that I'm able to bring you from all over the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you at Tarot Summer School.